What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day, enjoying yourselves out there. But today I'm gonna actually get into a little project, mini project here. I want to organize my burning wood, so I'm gonna actually set up a little something I saw online, see if it works to actually properly organize my burning wood for my fire pit. So let's get into the video further. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe as well if you like the video. Let's get into it, guys. All right, as you can see, my pile of wood is over there, and there's wood underneath the table. It just made no sense, so I wanted to actually organize it and have it all in one place and hide this little fence gate thingy that's behind there as well. Make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I got going on. I have two pieces of 2x4, two scrap pieces that I don't use, and a cinder block. So I pretty much put the cinder block on the floor and stuck the 2x4s in there, and I can start organizing the wood now. So that pretty much organized my pile of wood that was over there. There's actually a tree stump over here that I need to cut. But now everything all stacked up together. There's no longer any wood underneath the table, the grill, or anything of that nature. It's all stored in one place. Very nice and cool and sturdy. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a great day, guys. Peace.